All right.
Okay.
Hey, it's Mark, KM6ZPO, and I want to show you my field kit. So I've already taken out the 2 meters operation. This is just a 13-foot pole. It collapses to about this tall, and I just put it into one of the outside.
Do your hands again. I didn't
It's about
get
this
it.
tall. So it comes up to roughly right there.
Yeah.
And it just slides in out here. It also has this I got from Soda Beams, and it comes with this spike that you can put into the ground. The ground here is pretty hard, and I actually have a support here just to lean it up against the table, and I have a little strap right here that's holding it on the table. So that's going to be my 2 meter operations. And then, but the cool stuff is in the bag. So this, everything fits in the bag. And I'll start with the tuner. That's right there. And then we're gonna get into the outside pouch here. I actually have a chair. I was planning on doing something different today, so I brought a chair. So that's that. This is the main antenna for the HF radio, and I'm going to show you later. But basically, it's just a bunch of little pieces in here, and I'll show you. That's the coil, and I just assemble it, and I'll put it over here. It's got a little tripod with it.
You got that bag from REI.
Yeah. And this is a 511 bag, by the way. 511 makes some really good products. Good for this stuff. Let's see. In the other compartment, I have the remainder of the HF stuff. I'm trying to zip up the main outer pouch here so I don't lose things. Okay, so the radio. This is just a little hard plastic case that I got on Amazon. So it's going to hold the main radio here and the battery. And today I'm using this QRP rig. This is a recent 918, RS-918, and just a small battery, a little 6 amp Bioenno. So that's going to go aside there, and then I'll hook all this stuff up in a minute. And then let's see. This is a radial kit that I have. This is a 10 to 40 kit. It goes with the antenna setup. But today I'm actually going to try something different. I home built a radial kit, and it is out here. So I've got this. Basically, this is 20 and 40. So these wires are going to be going out somewhere around here. With all these people walking by, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it exactly, but that's that.
Maybe that way?
Yeah, maybe. This is going to be the main cable for the antenna, and this is the connector for the radio itself. That's going to go over there. Extra. So this will hook up to the tuner. This will hook up to the antenna, and that's it. It's actually a pretty simple setup. Nothing else left in here.
Water
for now. Yeah, and of course I was gonna go mountain biking today, so I have my bike tools in there and all that stuff too. But that's it. So we'll stop the video now, and then once I get this set up, which will take a few minutes, I'll start up again. KM6ZPO.